The story of Ruth and Naomi is one of the most powerful examples of love, loyalty, and God's redeeming plan in the Bible. Ruth 1:16-17 declares Ruth's heart in one of the most beautiful pledges of devotion ever spoken. After the death of their husbands, Naomi urges her daughters-in-law to return to their families. Orpah leaves, but Ruth clings to Naomi and says,
"Where you go, I will go, and where you stay, I will stay. Your people will be my people, and your God my God."
Here, Ruth is not only choosing Naomi, she's choosing the God of Israel. She leaves behind her homeland, her culture, and her security to embrace a life of faithfulness. In Ruth 4:13-17 we see the fruit of Ruth's loyalty. Ruth marries Boaz and the Lord blesses them with a son, Obed.
Blessed be the Lord, which hath not left thee this day without a kinsman, that his name may be famous in Israel.
Obed becomes the grandfather of King David and through this lineage the ancestor of Jesus Christ. What began as tragedy for Naomi turned into unimaginable blessing because of Ruth's faith, love, and unwavering devotion. Please stick around to the end on how to obtain your free ebook. The story of Ruth reminds us that loyalty, faith, and trusting God can open doors to blessings far beyond what we imagine. From loss to redemption, Ruth and Naomi show us that God's plans are always greater. If this story spoke to your heart, please like, subscribe, or follow and comment below with what part of Ruth's journey inspired you most. And don't forget to download your free ebook in the link below. Thank you for watching. God bless you richly. See you next time.